I really think that those two configurations they make sense to me the most. I know that there's so many plans out there, but they were things that I had done a lot of back testing with, so it actually made sense to me. When the market is going down, it's such an easy trade. Because that's the other thing is one of my criteria for what I'm looking for is a trade that doesn't take all day to do. I've looked at other types of trading with futures and that sort of thing, but you really with that you have to sit at the computer all day, and that's not what my outcome that I'm going for is. So the great thing with both these trades is you learn to understand the rules over time, and then it becomes a matter of just coming in and kind of updating yourself based on what the market is doing, and also kind of an end of day analysis. And I really found the end of day analysis to be super helpful to look at the expiration graph and make sure that I could account for whatever I thought was coming the next day.